Assalamu alaikum, namaste, sasriyakal. Welcome to Spice Box. Today we are going to make Kesar Malai cake without oven. So let's begin the recipe. In a mixer grinder, we are going to add half cup of sugar along with 5 cardamoms, elaichi, as it enhances the flavor. So take one mixing bowl. Now we are going to add 1/4 cup of refined oil. Please avoid palm oil, it's not good for the health. Now add our grinded sugar. Now we are going to add half cup of milk. Give it a nice mix with a whisker. Continuously mix the batter. Measurements are so important. Please keep eye on measurements. Now I am going to add 1 cup of refined flour, Maida, 2 tablespoons of milk powder. So I am going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. All together we are going to mix our batter. Be gentle in this process. Don't over mix the batter. First process of making cake is preparing the batter. So we are going to prepare our batter. See, in cut and slit method we are going to prepare our batter. Don't over mix the batter. Our batter is ready for the baking. So finally we have reached our process of making batter. At last we are going to add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Gently mix all the ingredients. Just keep in mind we are not going to over mix the batter. Just we have to remove the lumps in the batter. So our batter is ready. We have completed our first step of preparing batter for the Kesar Malai cake. No need to rest the dough. We are going to immediately transfer our batter into the pan. Now it's our time to bake our cake. On preheated tawa, I am going to place one pan or kadai, whatever you have. This is the baking paper. You can easily get in grocery stores. Now I am going to place the baking paper inside the pan. Now I am greasing the oil. Preheat the pan for the 6 minutes. Now it's time to add our prepared batter. I am transferring prepared batter into the pan. With the help of one spoon, even out the batter gently. And tap the pan as it removes air bubbles. Finally, we are going to cover our pan with lid. We are going to bake our cake for minimum 22 minutes, maximum 25 minutes on low. Meanwhile, our cake is getting baked. It's time to prepare our rabdi. Take one non-stick pan. Into the non-stick pan, we are going to add 2 cups of milk. And I am going to add 1/4 cup of sugar. Now I am going to add our pre-soaked saffron in warm milk for 10 minutes. I love to add saffron, Kesar instead of adding food color. I prefer adding saffron as it's good for the health instead of switching to food color. Please avoid it. If you don't have option, go through with food color. Give it a good mix. Keep on stirring on a high flame. We are going to reduce our rabdi on high flame for 5 minutes and low flame on 5 minutes. 10 minutes is enough for the rabdi. Continuously stirring. We are going to prepare our rabdi. Now it's time to add our dry fruits. I have chosen almonds and pistachios. You can choose whatever dry fruits you have. Keep on stirring in between. You can see the formation of fat deposit on side of the pan. Almost our rabdi is got ready. Our rabdi is ready. Turn off the flame. Now it's time to check our cake. Open the lid. With the help of one toothpick, we are going to check whether our cake is baked or not. See, it's completely baked. It's coming out neatly without getting stick. So gently we are going to unmold our cake on the edges. We have unmolded our cake, looking lovely. Can you believe that we have made cake without oven, in pan? Looking lovely. See the crust, completely baked from both sides. With the help of fork, we are going to poke our cake as it helps to retain the moisture. We are going to add our Rabdi. It will absorb all the moisture. Make as much as holes as you can. It helps in absorption of Rabdi. Finally, we are going to transfer our Rabdi into the cake. How lovely, how pretty the Rabdi is looking. See, look at the texture, color. We are going
Refrigerate
to
the
add
cake
Rabdi
for 15 minutes and serve chill as it tastes better.
Let it absorb the all Rabdi. Can you believe we have made cake without yeast, without oven, without giving rest? This is the easiest method you can make. So finally, we have made our cake. Lovely. Our Kesar Malai cake is ready to serve and enjoy with your family. Do try it. For sure your kids gonna love this one. Enjoy. And please subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Do hit the subscribe button, like, comment, share. Thank you.